Good morning, friend. We are discussing about the Vision Eyes 5 question. Let's discuss the first question. First question is related to the money bill. Money bill of in the Indian Parliament when we are tabled is number first statement is said like that a money bill can be introduced only on the recommendation of the president. So we have to first take the recommendation from the president, then it tabled in the Lok Sabha particularly, and money bill given in the Article 110 of the Indian Constitution. Second, the decision of the speaker on whether a bill is money bill cannot be questioned in Parliament. So you have choose the correct option from the given option and option in front of your first and second, both first and second, neither one, neither two. I again repeat the question for the better and clear understanding of the question. With reference to the money bill in the Indian Parliament, consider the following statement. Number first statement is said like that a money bill can be introduced only on the recommendation of the president. Second statement is said like that the decision of the speaker on whether a bill is money bill cannot be questioned in particular Parliament. It means Parliament cannot discuss why this can be called as the money bill or not, and the final decision is taken by the speaker itself whether the following bill or the considering bill is money bill or not, right? Let the option in front of you are. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the which among the following best describe negative income tax. Negative income tax, what do you mean by it? Number first statement is said like that income subsidies provided to a person or family whose income falls below a certain level. For example, my income is 1 lakh and below 1 lakh certain subsidies are providing to me, so that is known as the negative income tax, is it? Second, penalty imposed on people not fulfilling their income tax return. If I could not fill income tax return, then the penalty that on me it is provided and it is imposed by the government, is it called the negative income tax? Number third statement is said like that tax reduced at a source by the payer of income. For example, I earn 1 lakh rupee but 50,000 are deducted because of the various income tax, then the required money is called as the remained money, basically is called as the negative income tax. Number 4, the effective date of all subsidies provided by the government is known as the negative income tax, and you have to choose from the given option. I again repeat the question. Let's see. Which of the following describe negative income tax? Number first statement said like that income subsidies provided to a person or families whose income fall below a certain level. Second, penalty imposed on people not fulfilling their income tax return. Number third, tax deducted at a source by the payer of income. Number fourth, effective rate of all subsidies provided by the government. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the ancient India. With reference to the ancient India, the designation of the Satrap and Kshetrapa were used for the number first option are provincial ruler, second village headman, number third specialist in Vedic ritual, number four chief of the craft guide. Guilds is nothing but a type of a networking in which a person can use effectively barter system with higher trust. I again repeat the question. With reference to the ancient India, the designation of Satrap and Kshetrapa were used for the provincial ruler, village headman, specialist in Vedic ritual, chief of the crafted guilds. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the environment section and it is going to be very important. Clean climate and clean air coalition to reduce short-living climate pollutant in a unique initiative of the G20 group of the country. Clean and climate air coalition, whatever you wanted to say, to reduce the short-lived pollutant. For example, PM 2.5, 2.10 can be called as a short-lived because after raining, the PM 2.5 and 2.10 is get subdued or get into the soil. The unique initiative of the G20 group. Number second, CAC focus on methane, black carbon and hydrofluorocarbon. CCAC mainly focuses on methane, CH4, black carbon, I think it is the part of the methane, and unburnt fossil fuels and hydrofluorocarbon. And option in front of here, first and second, both first and second, neither one, neither two. Right? Let's see the next question or the answer to the first question, right? No. Fifth question is by 1908 the Swadeshi and Boycott movement is declined. In 1908, for example, 1905 Swadeshi movement was started after the separation of the Bengal and rearrangement and reshuffling of that area. Because of all this, Swadeshi movement is started in 1905. Which of the following reason of this declination? Number in 1908 Swadeshi and Boycott movement get subdued by the government. Number first, annulment of the Bengal partition को बंगाल को दोबारा से हमने रिस्टोर कर दिया था उनकी पोजीशन थी. क्या ये रीज़न रहा था? स्प्लिट इन अ कांग्रेस. नंबर थर्ड, अरेस्ट एंड डिपार्टेशन ऑफ द मेन आइडियल लीडर देयर. First and second and third, second, first, second, third. I again repeat the question. In 1908, the Swadeshi and Boycott movement declined. Which of the following was the reason for it? Number first, annulment of the Bengal partition. Second, split in Congress. Number third, arrest and deportation of the leaders. Let's see the next question or answer the first question. First question is related to the money bill. Money bill in the Indian Parliament consists the following statement regarding that. A money bill can be introduced only on the recommendation of the President. Is it? Yes. The decision of the Speaker on whether a bill is a money bill cannot be questioned in Parliament at all. So both statements are correct here. First statement is correct because the Constitution lays down a special procedure for the passing of the money bill in the Parliament. What is the reason behind this? Is because in Lok Sabha there is a directly elected people there, and they should be authorized to use that money which they are collected from the people for the welfare of the people itself. A money bill can only be introduced in Lok Sabha, and that too can on the recommendation of the President. Do remember this fact. Every such bill is considered to be the government bill and can be introduced only by minister. Do remember this fact also. It is tabled before the recommendation of the President. Second, it is tabled by the minister itself. Not other person cannot be taken this responsibility, because there always be Indian hand and Indian government in the Indian territory. If any question arises whether a bill is a money bill or not, so Speaker of the Lok Sabha is final decision maker here. Second statement is correct because his decision in this regard cannot be questioned in any court of law or either in the House of the Parliament or even by the President. So these statements, do remember this fact, even in this regard cannot be questioned. In this decision of the whether be a following bill or considering bill is a money bill or not, this statement or this things has responsibility and prerogative of the Lok Sabha Speaker basically, and that cannot be questioned in any court of law, whether it be Supreme Court or High Court or either House of Parliament, Parliamentary or the Committee of the Parliament cannot be questioned this, or even by the President also cannot be questioned. And so you can see the power that is given to the Lok Sabha Speaker here. When a money bill is transmitted to the Rajya Sabha for recommendation and present to the President for assent, the bill enrolls as it is a money bill. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the negative income tax. Yes, negative income tax is the income subsidies provided to a person or a family whose income fall below a certain level so that they can be utilized and their disposable income is much more higher as compared to other people. Negative income tax is guarantees minimum income plan advocated by the economist Milton Friedman in 1962, where federal income subsidies are provided to a person or families whose income fall below a certain level so that their purchasing power parity can be equivalent with the other people of the same community. That is the main aim here, and that is done through the economist Milton Friedman in 1962. Negative income tax would allow claimant to receive income through the simple filing of the tax return rather than through the complaint of welfare benefit, ideally eliminating the need of the complex welfare bureaucracy. So that is the note need here. So it is a type of DBT, but this is used where the banking system is much more inclusive there. So let's see the next question. Next question is related to the ancient India. With reference to the ancient India, the designation of Satrapa and Kshatrapa are the provincial rulers. So first statement is correct. Let's see the thing. Sakha called the local governor or rules as Satrapa or Kshatrapa. Who called Shaka? Shaka, where they are located? See, that is the map of India. See, there is a Shaka found. Shungas here and Parthian here. So, and it is I think 2nd and 3rd century BC की बात कर रहे हैं. The senior Satrapa was called the Makshatrapa and the junior was the Kshatrapa. The relation between the Satrapa was in the nature of the relation between the king and viceroy. During the Sakha ruler, there were many Satrapas, housed in different parts of the Sakha dominant in India. This can be grouped into northern Satrapa of Taxila, you know very well, in Bihar and Mathura and UP and Bihar area. Western Satrapa of Maharashtra and Ujjaini, that also found there. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the climate and clean air coalition to reduce the short-lived climate pollution is a unique initiative of G20. That is not correct because it is the initiative of the, just a minute, TERI, that is the Energy and Resource Institute, and just a minute. The government of Bangladesh, Canada, Ghana, Mexico, Sweden and United States along with the United Nations Environment Programme UNEP came together to initiate the effort. So UNEP and the following country, Bangladesh, Canada, Ghana, Mexico, Sweden and USA along with the United Nations Environment Programme UNEP came together to initiate the effort to treat these pollutants as a collective challenge. The coalition has 53 country partners, 17 international government organizations and 45 governmental organizations partnered. India is not a member of country. However, the Energy and Resource Institute is a partner in the form of NGO since 2015. So first is not correct. CCAC focuses on methane, black carbon and hydrofluorocarbon. That is correct because it is the short-living, just a minute, short-lived climate pollutant. So that's why it is the correct. The climate and the clean air coalition is the only global effort that unites government, civil society and private sector so that they committed to improve air quality and protecting the climate in the next few decades by reducing short-lived climate pollutant because they are in hand and they can be easily be disposable. Across sector, the coalition initial focuses on the methane, then black carbon and hydrofluorocarbon also. Let's see the next question. Next question is the last question. By 1908, what is the reason behind the declination of the Swadeshi movement in 1908 basically? So second and third is correct because split in Congress in 1907 in I think Lucknow session is there. No, the Surat split basically, yes. And arrest and deportation of the leader, that is also correct. For example, Arbindo Ghosh. No. I forget the name. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, they get deported, and many of them they can give voluntarily resignation. So the working of these Swadeshi movement get declined. Let's see the thing here. By mid 1908, the Swadeshi and biker movement with this popular mass character had but all spent itself. Mass character can be found, but with time it get declined. This was due to the several reasons. Number first, the government seeing the revolutionary potential of the movement come down with a heavy hand, so they use police forces for the repression to the form of the control and bans on the public meeting, processes and press also. Second, the international squabble and the Surat split in 1907 in the Congress, the Apex All India organization weakened the movement. The first and second is correct. Third, between 1907 and 1909, major leaders in Bengal, including the Ashwin Kumar Dutt and Krishna Kumar Mitra, were deported to other countries. Tilak was given a sentence of 6 years imprisonment. Ajit Singh and Lajpat Rai of Punjab were deported, and Chidambaram Pillai and Harishvattam Rao from Madras in the South India basically and Andhra Pradesh were arrested. Bipin Chandra Pal and Arbindo Ghosh retired from active politics, so that is the problem there. A decision not unconnected with the repressive measure of the government, almost with one stroke in the entire movement, get leaderless. So that's why this third is correct. First is not correct. Why? Let's see. Fourth, the Swadeshi movement lacked an effective organization and party structure. That is the problem, because whenever the leader is get deported, there is no one to ignite and continued with the same type of a mass protest, and that cannot be sustainable right now. The movement has thrown up programmatically the entire gamut of the Gandhian technique, but also unable to give this technique a centralized discipline focus. Lastly, the movement declined partially because of the very logic of the mass movement itself. They cannot sustain it by endlessly at the same pitch of the military and self-sacrifice, especially when faced with the severe repression. So that is the reason, and it is the reason for any of the mass movement they cannot sustain without any strong leadership. The annulment of the partition took place in 1911, 3 years after the Swadeshi and biker movement has already fizzled out. To reduce the resentment of the dirty Bengali Hindus, the British government decided to annul the partition of Bengal. King George V when came to India at the Coronation Darbar in Delhi in December 1901, announced the revocation of the partition of Bengal, and consequently the capital was shifted from Calcutta to Delhi. So that is the major event in 1911 where the restoration of the Bengalis happened. At the same point of time, they shift their capital from Calcutta to Delhi. The date chosen for the ending of the partition and reunification of Bengal was 1st April 1912. So this do remember this fact also. Date also basically. By this we are ending the session. Thank you so much.